Hello there, you wonderful person. I am Gareth Mason. It is September 1st, I think. I'm pretty sure, yeah. September 1st, 2025, it's exactly 9:32 p.m. And August is finally over. Jesus Christ. What a long month. I need money, man. I need money. It's, things are so tight. Man, it's gonna feel so good whenever I get paid. It's gonna be glorious. Glorious. I've heard rumors of a bonus this month. That would be absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. I really hope it gets to happen. I don't like to start recording on this street because it's so busy. But lately I've been getting close to the apartment and I still have stuff to say. I have to. That's very loud music. Very loud music. Jesus. Alright, last time I updated you, it was last night when I was taking a shower. Yeah, so this morning I woke up kind of late, 7:30, because I went to bed so late, so it makes sense. Does it make sense for me to talk about routine stuff like that every day? Because honestly, that's kind of boring, isn't it? I guess internally I'm a little afraid of not having enough to say. So I just fill it with these words, with routine stuff. That might be it. Should I continue? Because I kind of get a little bored talking about it. So I should probably stop, right? Probably. Anyway, so what happened that was interesting this morning? I put up the TV. I drilled the holes on the thing, on the TV stand. Attached the stuff to the TV. Attached a little thing on the stand, and I hung it. It was a little crooked. It wasn't perfectly straight, but it was good enough. Alan said that that you can barely. Oh, that's a cool sound. That's a cool sound. Alan said that she could barely notice. So if she's happy, I'm happy. And then we were talking about a family member of hers that is always comparing stuff, and she always needs for her things to be better. And as we were talking, that car has a flat tire. Did you hear the sound? As we were talking about that, I started to think about myself and how that is something that Alan helped me change, is helping me change. I used to be very materialistic, and I remember I remember when we were talking about headphones, earbuds, and I don't remember exactly what I said, but it was something along the line, something like I was putting her headphones down, her earbuds down, and just because they were cheap. And after, she told me how she felt. Well, I noticed her. I noticed how she felt bad. This has been like months, more than months. It's been like a good year or so. It was before, it was the beginning of our relationship, and yeah, I noticed it, and then we talked about it, and yeah, I was a douchebag. And man, this is exactly what I wanted from a partner, and somebody that can help me improve. And that's what Ellen is doing. She's helping me improve, and it's wonderful. I'm very happy with the person that I am today, that I am becoming, and it's all due to her. It's all because of her. It's awesome. So that was interesting this morning. These two things: putting up the TV and this conversation. And then at work, a couple of things I want to talk about. First of all, like before I got into my 545 group, I saw the WhatsApp, our group, the condominium on our building. We have a group, and it had hundreds of messages. And apparently there had been a fire, and there was the fire alarm was going off, and people didn't know if they should go out. Like, there were hundreds of messages, but I was reading from top to bottom, right? So I started to read, and then people were like, "Oh, what's happening, guys? There's a fire alarm going off. What should we do? Should we go out?" Or in not the landlord, the people, the superintendent. The superintendent said that everybody's supposed to go out, but blah blah blah. And then I started to get anxious, extremely anxious, because Ellen was in the apartment, and so I was about to call her. I scrolled down to the bottom to see the most recent messages, and everything was fine. False alarm. Maybe it was a training. It was a drill, but everything was fine. So I could breathe. So that got my my heart pumping very hard. My voice is crackling. I really hope I'm not getting sick. Let's go. Yeah, so that's one thing. The other thing was me studying for today, to this class, the ninth class. It was intensifying adverbs with gradable and ungradable adjectives. Adjectives. Yeah, gradable and ungradable adjectives. Like, gradable adjectives are the ones that change how strong they are. For example, cold. It can be very cold. Very cold is different than a little cold. That can change the intensity. And ungradable adjectives are the ones that are absolute, that they're not going to change. For example, freezing. Freezing is freezing. And And then ungradable, they have like the extreme ones and the other ones that they don't have a superlative or comparative. But anyways, just the specific words that go with these, each of these words. For example, utterly for ungradable adjectives. It's just so confusing, man. Like, I had a hard time studying for that. Thankfully, like I told my students, hey guys, just go with the feeling, just go with your gut. The book might give one answer, but people don't speak perfectly, and in other words, it's okay for you to be wrong. Don't get too frustrated if the book says you're wrong, because you might not be. And then also I did the activities from the back of the book instead of the ones on the lesson itself, because they were much more straightforward. The ones from the book, man, they were so confusing. Yeah, from the lesson, I mean. The ones from the lesson were so confusing, so we changed that, and apparently it worked well, man. It was a great class, and I was a little concerned that it would have been a failure. Today, I taught great classes. Yeah, really great classes. I'm very proud of myself today. I invented a game where, when you have too many activities on the book with not enough opportunity for students to talk, to give their opinion about the subject or this kind of stuff. It's interesting to have like a quick game, something to just, the brain breaker is what they call. And the way I do it is I have the headbands game, where you put a card on your forehead and you're supposed to ask questions to try to guess what you are. So I had that game on the classroom, and I thought to myself, hey, what if I get this card? Take a look at it and give hints to the whole classroom to see who can guess the word first, and then that person gets to say who's going to answer the question. That person points to the person who's going to answer the question from the book. And that worked really well, man. That worked really well. It's a derivation from another game that I like, that I used to do with numbers. Like, I follow a logic of numbers, and if the person guesses the number, they get to say who's going to answer the question. But this one is much simpler, much faster. Sure, it depends on, like, the smartest students and fastest students are pretty much never gonna answer. Although if I do it with movies and series, like, yeah, that can change. But anyways, that was nice. That was very nice. And yeah, I think that's it. That's it for my day. It was a pretty good Monday. I'm tired, yeah, but feeling good. I am feeling a heartburn right now, and I ate instant noodles today. I brought leftover lunch, rice and ground beef, ground meat, and I ate that. But then I was like, I could eat something more. You know what I love about the instant noodles? I don't cook them. I eat them raw. They are pre-cooked already. That's why they cook in 3 minutes. But it's the crunchiness. I love the crunchiness. it's just very nice to have something to munch on. I should think about a healthier version, a healthier, chewable, crunchy snack for me to eat at work. Yeah, because the instant noodles really does not agree with my system. Oh, interesting. That dog stopped barking. Huh. The dogs are getting to know me in the street, huh? Anyways, I think that's it. I don't have anything else on my mind, other than, dude, I'm excited for being able to record. Like, I have the microphone working, like it was working. Just the position and the quality, it's nice. I'm very happy about that. I'm also very happy I was able to put up the TV. Like, I felt accomplished, you know? I think that's... I was in a good mood today because of that. And, dude, I don't know if we're still in winter or it's spring already, but I smell flowers. Like, right now I smell flowers. It smells amazing. And when I was working out this morning, also, like the flowers that they plant around the bars, they smell really good. So there we go. Spring is upon us. I don't know when it starts, but I'm ecstatic about that. Although I wanted one last extremely cold night in the apartment just to test it out, because we haven't had a extremely cold night at the apartment. The apartment is warm, man. It's very nice and cozy and comfortable if you leave it closed. If you open everything, it's a great wind, great breeze, and it cools everything down immediately. Like last night when I was recording Lies of P, I closed the window because there was a train passing by, and it's just outside the studio window, and it was just, noisy. So I closed it, and then it got warm quick. So I had to open, and the moment I opened, it was just quick. It's cool. Right. So plans. Gonna get home, probably eat something, probably take a shower, and then I don't know, probably go straight to bed. It's a good idea for me to go to bed early. Yeah, I like the mornings much better than late nights. Anyways, I'm approaching the apartment complex, so gotta go. I'll be back tomorrow, as always. If I don't post in a day, if I don't post in 2 days, because last time I recorded late night, so I didn't have time to release the video until this morning. But if I don't post in like 2 days in a row, something's terrible happened. You can make sure, you can trust that, because this vlog is not stopping. This daily vlog is not stopping. So that's it. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks everybody for watching. I have been Gareth Mason, and I'll see you the next time I see you. Bye-bye.